Welcome to welding. I chose welding because I believe that it would help me further my career and my life.
I chose welding for my program because there's just many opportunities with it.
In the classroom, we learn about MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding, and each one has its own way of how it works, and it's really interesting.
There are many local job opportunities. You can go to Volvo, Manitowoc, and any welding shop.
My favorite part of this program is most definitely the freedom along with responsibility to do what we wish to do, because we do have a lot of opportunities to make different things in our shop that a lot of other people will never get the opportunity to do. We have welders and we have machines, so we take advantage of that opportunity and we get to do things that we want to do alongside of the schoolwork that we have to do. I believe that welding has helped me gain soft skills and skills that I can use with job opportunities and use those things that I've learned to kind of further my career.
My favorite part of the program is the people and what you learn there. You can learn how to build anything, and the people are just fun to work with.
I would absolutely recommend this to anybody else. At the moment, it is one of the best blue-collar careers you can get into. There's a shortage. And being in welding, we have multiple sponsorships from different companies because of how hard it is to get welders right now. They're trying to get people through and get people into this career.